Hello. Welcome back to my channel. So this was our backyard when we purchased our home. Yes, it was full of all type of trees and bushes and plants that I can't even tell you the name of. It was a variety of different plants that was planted and trees, and we wanted it to have a fresher look, so we removed all of those bushes and trees. My husband, along with my son, they put in some blood, sweat, and tears that day getting all those bushes out. They did a great job. So we needed a fresh surface. So we removed everything, even took out that old rotted wood so that we can see what it is that we wanted to do, because we did want to change out those windows and add that French door. So as you can see here, we got new windows. We got that French door that I always wanted. And now this is where the fun takes place. Watch the process.